I delightfully welcome you all to the JINS family. Jahan Institute of Nursing Sciences was started by the medical and nursing professionals, who have 3 decades vast experience in the field of medical education. JINS was started with the vision to be the premier choice of students for nursing education and training. Jahan Group of institutions are currently running 5 courses. Basic BSc Nursing, a 4 years degree course, Diploma in Nursing and Midwifery, Diploma in Dialysis Technology, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology and Diploma in Operation Theatre Technology. All these courses are approved by Government of Karnataka and concerned affiliated bodies. A team of fabulous faculty members under the leadership of our beloved principal who display boundless energy and intense commitment has created an open, receptive, relaxed and enjoyable environment to grasp subtle values of life. JINS works with core values of working within the ethical framework at all levels, and we are dedicated to student education. The students always come first. Well-maintained separate classroom facilities, all of which are suitable for 60 students. All classrooms are equipped with a dry erase board, projection screens, and multimedia projectors. JINS library is well stocked with numerous journals, textbooks and literature collections. The library also comprises a digital section which has internet facility and is stocked with audio-visual aids, and DVDs and CDs on a wide range of subjects to give students access to a comprehensive knowledge base. JINS having well-equipped separate hostel for both boys and girls. Hostels have clean, organized, mess facilities, kitchens are spacious and care is taken to ensure that food is prepared under extremely hygienic condition. The ladies' hostel is designed keeping in mind the needs of young women. Round-the-clock security is provided. JINS having a very active anti-ragging monitoring cell, JINs, at the institutional level who conduct anonymous random surveys raids and ensure that students do not indulge in the act of ragging in the campus hostels and take adequate measures to prevent it. JINS provides sports and recreational facilities for the students. The sports facilities include outdoor games like basketball, tennis, shuttle and badminton. JINS having its new college bus exclusively for the use of nursing college, having seating capacity of 52. Transportation facility is available from institute to hostel, hospitals, community health center and observational visits in and around Bangalore. JINS having its parent hospital, Jayashree Multi-Speciality Hospital, which is 100-bedded, NABH accredited hospital. Clinical facility is exclusively for the JINS students. JINS is also affiliated to Government General Hospital, Anekal, which is 7 kilometers away from the institution. JINS is affiliated to Primary Health Center Merisa, for rural community and CHC Anekal, for urban community health clinical experience. I take this opportunity in congratulating you on your decision for choosing Jahan Institute of Nursing Sciences, one of the finest colleges in Bangalore, to pursue your dreams in making nursing a professional career. We humbly invite you to be the partner of our progress.